Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. E to the power of 2x I can put into e to the power of x to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have e to the power of x dx. This one we change by u. E to the power of x dx we change by du. Next, this is about identity, so we put about u minus 1, u plus 1. Next, I will put number 2 on numerator and the denominator. So number 2 that is about 1 plus 1. Next, we need to add u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. Next, we can do about factorization by negative number 1. Next, this one divide by this one, and u minus 1 divide by u minus 1. So we have 1 over u minus 1. And minus 1 over u plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over u minus 1. We have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. The integration of this one. We have ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about e to the power of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.